Okay, guys. So Mike said that my Mike, this guy called Mike built me a new house, and my school's there. I'm in survival, but it's peaceful. But where could my house be? So he said that it would be near my school. So I'm just gonna go up here. Is that it? Just that? He said that it would be massive. OMG. Oh my god, there's a decking. Great. I'm gonna go in here and I'm gonna go up the stairs. This could be my room. I'm gonna walk in here. And OMG. My bed. I wish there was a door so I could go on the balcony. What if there is? Never mind. Anyways, that's my bedroom. Let's go downstairs. If I can get down, I'll be able to go if I can get down there. What's through these doors? OMG, my garage is massive. Anyways, I'm gonna go outside and go around back. So, in a couple of hours, it's school because it's only 6 o'clock. So, I need to go to school in 2 hours. Oh my god, that's what the front. It has buttons, but it can't open, so it's a bit of a failure. But I don't have a car. But OMG, look at this decking. My mailbox with the postman on it comes from. So there's nothing in there yet. I am going to be ordering some plant pots. Some plant pots from here. This could be my living room or something. No, wait, this can be my kitchen. So I'm going to get some chests and a sign. So the sign can go there saying food. And then the drinks could go here and that could say drinks. Hopefully no one will live here with me and we have no food yet, so I can put these back where they were. So hopefully no one comes in here into my kitchen. And then this could be like a little decking. And yeah, so, oh shoot, it's time for school. Bing, ling, 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 ling. Oh, damn, I'm gonna be late. It is quite a nice day today. Do I look okay? Yes, I look okay. Where is Olivia Lewis? She's meant to be in English. Sorry I'm late, miss. Oh, the bell rang. Time to go. 10. Okay, it's time for math. I think this is math. Whoa, there's no teacher. Oh yeah, I remember. In math and in English, we have no teacher. Okay, so now it's dinner time, so it's time to go to... No running in the halls! Sorry. So now it's time to go to the cafeteria. And they said to just go down there, like down to get some food. But I'm not really hungry right now, so I'm gonna wait until I'm hungry. Guys, let's go right back into the roleplay. So, sorry guys, let's get right back into the roleplay again. So, um, yeah, dismissal, school is out. Did you hear that? School's out, yes. But I still have homework. Ugh. Oh wait, no, I didn't get any homework. Ugh. It's time to go to bed now. Night. I just woke up and it's still a bit dark. So, so now it's day. So guys, I'm going to end it here. And I hope you liked my video on my roleplay house. Let me just go downstairs. Let me just get upstairs. Let me just go outside. Just get on my... So guys, thank you so much for watching my video on this beautiful house and my roleplay. There will be some more episodes coming soon. So, mwah. Bye!